What is up, guys? It's ThatTacticalDudeDad, and I'm here to show you an awesome product from a company called Magpacker. Now, Magpacker is a family veteran-owned and operated company based out of Texas, and what they produce is a couple different types of speed loaders, whether it be for your AR, AK, or even your pistol mags. And so today I have one of their polymer speed loaders for the AR-15. As you can see, I ordered this one in OD green. However, it is also available in black, gray, FDE, and pink. So the reason why I got this one in particular is because I like the simplicity that it brings to the table compared to other speed loaders out there. It's lightweight, but its polymer body has held up just fine through multiple trips to the range. It's small enough to fit into a backpack like this one. And the price point is great. You can get this for under 50 bucks, especially with all the discounts that you can also find on their social media pages. So let's go ahead and get to a demonstration and show how quick it really is compared to loading it by hand. I'm also going to put a timer on, that way you can see how fast it actually takes me, and then I'll do it by hand and also put a timer there so that way you can see the difference in times. Okay, so now I'm going to load it one by one, and so let's begin. Let's start the timer and go. So another thing that you can do is use this loader block right here and unload your magazine. I don't know if that's what the intended use is for besides loading it, but you know what? It's easy, and why not? Okay guys, so doing it one by one, I got it in 47 seconds and 49 seconds. What I'm gonna do now is see how many mags I can pack with the Magpacker in that amount of time. So I'm gonna start the timer, and then when it gets around 47, 49 seconds, you can see where I'm at loading. So let's get started. So 45 seconds, I got 2 mags loaded, which beat the time of 1 mag, one by one, 47 or 49 seconds. So what do you think? Magpacker? Yeah, I think it's a must. Okay guys, so there you have it. No complaints that I can say at all towards this. I bought this myself, so it's my unbiased opinion. I don't know, tell me what you guys think about it with a comment below. Slap the like button if you want to see more stuff like this. And honestly, in my opinion, you can't go wrong with this little guy. Do yourself a favor, save your time, save your thumbs, and go get a Magpacker. You won't be disappointed.